I've just parked up and I'm gonna go climb this Mount Ninderry. I'm pretty sure I've done it before, but I don't remember it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go hike this mountain. Should be fun. Yeah, Sunday, get things done, do the fun things. Got my big superfoods blend for when I get back. I think it might take like over an hour or something. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Nice view. There's a chance of rain, but you know, we love that too. Nothing like getting rained on and feeling cleansed. So yeah, I will record some of the mount. And again, I'm just on my iPhone at the moment. Yet to get the SD card, so the quality is not the greatest, but it is what it is, and iPhones don't do too bad. So anyways, I will see you on the hike. Not a bad view. So after the mount climb, it was actually quite short but very steep. I wanted a chill spot to eat my oats. They were really good. Oats and chia seeds and all that good stuff. But yeah, I wanted a really nice chill spot that I could like enjoy that, embrace the surroundings. This very nice park with no one around, it's just deserted. Yeah, I'm just chilling here for the moment. I'll get going soon and head back home to edit this video. Yeah, it's like my new passion is recording these little videos and editing them and putting them up. So yeah, that was fun, super grounding. I feel refreshed. Nice little Sunday hike. Just, oh, look at this. So delightful. I need to do more hiking, especially because where I'm living, it's just, there's lots of little hikes around. It would be nice to do like the Glass House Mountains. I've done them before, but I just need to refresh my memory. And yeah, there's lots to see, lots to do. And yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little climb with me and me babbling on. Please like and subscribe on these videos. I'm really trying to grow my little platform so I can keep sharing, and yeah, it's super fun. It's one of my new passions. Would you call it a hobby? Perhaps? I don't know. Yeah, much aroha, and I hope you're having a beautiful Sunday. Mwah!